Alright guys, how's it going? Right, welcome back to another video. This video, as you see from the thumbnail and the title, it is going to be another little modification video. Basically, I've been wanting to do this modification to my car for a while now. I did it on my 1 Series and I did it on my first Corsa. I just reckon it gives the car a better look from the rear. I am going to be buying a new bumper this weekend. So I'm going to be doing a fitting video of that. I'm going to have to spray paint the spray the bumper and everything. So the bumper I'm buying's in purple, and obviously my car's hard and blue. I got another couple of videos. If you remember, in one of my previous videos, I spray painted all the grey in my car. Well, today I've just ordered some 4D carbon wrap. So hopefully that's here on Saturday whilst I'm at the Rusty Fat Meet and Yum Detailing. So again, that's going to be a video at the meet. I got a detailing video which should be tomorrow's video. If not, it'd be Friday. That's definitely, like I said, there's going to be 3 parts that I've done cheap stuff from Morrison's. Tomorrow's is going to be turtle wax. Their stuff. Obviously I'm getting the car ready for a show, so tomorrow's video I'm going full on detail it. I'm going to polish it and everything. So yeah, I'm going to T-cut it and polish to get a good shine, get ready. Obviously the meet ain't until Saturday and I want to get the car looking good, so I've got until Saturday to do that. But in this video I'm going to tint my rear lights. Like I said, you would saw in the thumbnail and the title anyway. So what I need to do is get the lights out. My boot has started playing up again, so I've already got the boot open. So yeah, I'll get the, what I'll do, we'll get the lights out. I've got the tint in the house. We'll go into the back garden and I'll do it in the back garden. Just for the fact I've got wagons coming past, because still work hours and the construction site next to my house is still currently working. So yeah, let's go and get the lights out and get my and I'll show you how to get the lights out on a VXR if you don't know. It's same with a limited edition or an SRI or a standard Corsa D. I'm not sure if it's the same with the E's or the C's and the B's, but I know it's the same with the D's. So yeah, let's go and have a look and let's see how good I can, how dark I can get it. I've only brought 1 can of the tint, so I don't know how dark I'm going to be able to get them. If needs be, I'll buy another can at a later date and get them as dark as I want them. I'm hoping though 1 can will do. So, enjoy. Right guys, my boot is a mess. It's got all my BMX and stuff in. So, what you have to do... weren't expecting that. Right, what you have to do, take that cover off. If you look in there, there's 2 little round things. First thing you want to do though is disconnect this wire. If I can remember how it comes off. Well, I'll take that off last. So unscrew these 2 little things, as I am now. Do not lose these, because your lights won't be able to tighten up properly. I have had these out already because I cleaned inside of when I was last detailed the car properly. I actually cleaned behind the lights. I might do it again tomorrow, I ain't sure yet. And I did actually lose one of these originally. So now my light should directly pull out like that. You see the main wires here. So just disconnect that, and there's one of the lights. Now this one is more awkward, just for the fact you got the pump. I've already pulled this out partly because how awkward it is, but now you can see again, same on this side, and 2 little screws They'll hold your lights in. And as you see, they are fidgety little things. Oh, can I get to it? Yeah. And again, it's going to be the same as the other side. It will just pull out. There we go. No. Oh, there we go. And disconnect again. How straightforward was that? So there's your two lights. I'm going to need to clean them, no matter what. But I'll be able to do that later on. I've just messed up. I've shut my boot. And now my boot won't open again. Fucking great. Just find my car keys so I can lock the car. Right. Let's take them in the back garden and give them a clean and get spraying. So guys, I've now got the lights in the back garden. So what you need to do, first thing, is give them a clean. You can use soapy water for this, or anything. I use turtle wax window cleaner, just for the fact it does a good job. So 1 second, let me put that down somewhere better so you can actually see. So I've lost my camera holder, so it's kind of awkward to film right now. So just get them like that to a nice clean standard. So guys, now that both of them are clean, what you want to do is get your tint spray. Oh, if the cap will come off. Get your tint spray, which you can get for £12 from Alfred's. Just give it a shake like you do with spray paint and just lightly spray over. Normally takes a couple of coats. Just like that. Really, I should put something underneath the table. So, what I do, I'll jump to the time lapse now. So guys, I've now tinted the lights, and to be fair, they've gone better than I expected. Hell of a lot better. One did run a little bit, but you can't even see it. But look at them. So what I'll do, I'll leave them to dry. I'll get some cinematics of them now, and then what I'll do, get them fitted and get some more cinematics of them on the car. And I want you guys to tell me what you think of them. So let's jump to cinematics. Right guys, I'm losing daylight, so I'm going to start putting the lights back in. Ah. This is the awkward. God knows what happened there. This is the awkward part. Because they ain't fully dry yet, it's going to be awkward to get to, and the lighting in here is shocking right now. because it's dark. There we go. Right, let's see if this will pull in. There it is. Brilliant. Saves me putting my hands on it. So you guys saw what it looked like before. Like I said, it's straightforward little modification that makes the car look 10 times better. Like I said, I'm going to do cinematics, but that looks insane. Let's see what it looks like with the lights on. If I can find my keys, then my back pocket. Evil. See about the indicators. Oh. Make sure everything's working. Yeah, that is insane. So guys, I'm going to jump to a time lapse now and see what they look like. Enjoy. So guys, that is it for this video. Sorry I didn't do the time lapse of me putting the other light back together and putting everything back together like I said it was, but I didn't have a chance. I've just forgot I did a collab the other day with Bert and Sykes, so that video is going to be coming up soon. I'm going to go to Bert's now to get the videos off his camera. So yeah, you got that video to look forward to. Like I said, tomorrow I'm doing a detailing video, and then Saturday I'm with Rusty Fat. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and tune in next time, and peace.